back to my channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the correct way to wash and condition your bundles. Now, I know this may seem like a, pretty common sense thing, but honestly, common sense ain't so common, okay? A lot of people get this wrong. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your natural texture of your hair come back like this in the video. I will be using body wave bundles. I will have all the details for this hair in the description box below, okay? As you guys can see, this is 3 bundles of the body wave, and we're just going to hop right into this video. I'm going to be using my TRESemme Luxurious Moisture. This is by far my favorite shampoo and conditioner for virgin hair. I do have a preference for raw hair. If I ever do a video, I'll show you guys that as well. So the first thing you guys want to do is pretty much fill your sink up with warm water, just a little bit. You don't need a lot of water. And then you're going to unravel your bundles like so. It should look something like this. Now we're going to take the hair and then we're going to saturate the hair into the water. You guys, before you just throw shampoo on it, of course, you want to make sure the entire bundle is completely wet. So now I'm going to take my brush. After I put the hair into the water, I'm going to take my brush and pretty much comb it through to make sure the entire bundle is completely wet. So now I'm going to go ahead and with some shampoo and apply it to the hair generously. So as you guys can see, well, you're going to see in a little while, I am scrubbing this hair together, but I'm also going to take it apart and pretty much make sure that the shampoo gets into the other side as well. And you guys will see me do that in momentarily. So you just want to comb through it, rub your hands together to make sure you're getting the shampoo completely throughout the entire bundle. So as I said, I'm just flipping. You see how this shampoo did miss this entire spot on the hair? You're going to flip it over, and then you're also going to make sure that the shampoo gets into the inside of the bundle as well. Now, if you guys are wondering or concerned about tangling, just by scrubbing this hair together, if your hair tangles just by doing that, sis, you need some new hair. Okay? So now we're going to go ahead and rinse the shampoo out. I'm going to shampoo each bundle twice. And then I'm not going to show you guys the other bundles because I literally just repeated this process. So like I said, I'm opening it up and making sure that all of the shampoo is completely rinsed out throughout the entire bundle. And then I'm going to rinse off my brush as well, go back in and comb through the bundle to make sure there's no more shampoo. You guys always want to, I know this is pretty common sense as well, but you want to always make sure that you are combing from the bottom of the bundle to the top, especially when the hair is wet. This will prevent any tangling and any matting. Your hair is a lot more likely to tangle while it's wet. So now after I finish completely shampooing all of the bundles, I'm going to go in with my conditioner. Again, this is TRESemme Luxurious Moisture. I will leave all the products in the description box. Well, there's only 2 products. I said all the products, but you guys, whatever. So now I'm just going to go ahead and rub the conditioner into the hair really, 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 really good. And I'm pretty much going to do the same exact thing for all of the bundles. You guys want to flip these bundles inside and out to make sure that it is going inside the entire bundle, okay? It's like touching every strand. Go in with your brush, brush it through. Now, I'm going to show you guys a major key, which is the whole point of this entire video. Once I'm actually finished conditioning these bundles, it's very important for you to make sure that you get all of the conditioner out of your hair after you are finished washing, because if you don't, you're going to have that sticky feel. First of all, it's product being left in the hair. It's going to look like your hair is like weighed down, even though you're like, I just washed my hair. Why does it feel like I still have product in my hair? That's because you're not rinsing the product out the right way. So I'm going to show you guys a major tip after I'm finished conditioning this hair. Just keep watching. So, like most people would do, you know, you guys would just go in and condition his hair just like this. Just run the water through it. Of course, this is normal, right? But just by doing this, it's not ensuring that you are getting all of the conditioner out of the hair. So as you guys can see, I'm going to rinse it off really good. I'm going to brush it through and do all those nice things. And then I'm going to place it to the side. What I do next is extremely important, and you guys have to do this step, okay? I sound like somebody mama or something. But yeah, y'all want to make sure y'all don't forget this next step, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead again, run some water and stop it with the sink stopper. Now I'm going to place that bundle that I just rinsed out. I'm going to place it in the water and make sure I am getting this entire bundle super wet. And then I'm going to go in with my brush. The reason you guys want to do this, do you see how cloudy that water is? You guys see how cloudy that water is? That was all of the conditioner left in this hair. So if you guys just go in and rinse it like I just did before I did this step, you are not getting all of the conditioner out of the hair, okay? All of that is still in that water. You want your bundles to be squeaky clean. So that's why this step is super duper important. This is going to make sure you get all of the product out of your hair. So I'm just going to let this water out and repeat it again for the next 2 bundles. And you guys, that is how you completely wash, get all the product out of your hair, and make your make the curl pattern come back, the natural wave pattern. Look how shiny, look at the luster in this hair. And then you guys, when you get all the water out, you just want to form an S like I'm doing and dry it. Put it to the side. And that's pretty much it, you guys. It's super simple, but no one ever does this last step. And that's how you're going to make sure your hair is completely free of any products. And then you're going to form that S, dry that hair, squeeze it really good. And then once you let it air dry, your pattern will be popping again. All right. Another tip is to dry your hair with a t-shirt and not a towel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.